Hello, I'd like to talk to you for a moment about social engineering attacks. Hi, I'm John Eberle. I'm an instructor here at TrainACE and have been since 2004. I've worked in the industry for about 40 years. Um, One of my interesting jobs of many was the lead system administrator for the Air Force Office of Special Investigations here in town for over 7 years. Let's get back to social engineering. Okay, social engineering attacks are based on the exploitation of someone's personality. They could be referred to and are often referred to as hacking the human. All right, various type of social engineering attacks. Let's talk about some of those. Phishing, indiscriminate email attacks requesting that you, the recipient, complete some attached form. Maybe they're saying you have a problem with their bank account, your bank account. They ask for personal data that could later be used for identity fraud. Spear phishing, a phishing attack that targets a specific group of people. Prepending is another one of those attacks where an attacker will add information to a subject line of an email, make it look like it's been scanned by the email system before it arrives. This way, user thinks the email is safe and goes ahead and opens it. Credential harvesting. This is an attack that's normally done using a phishing attack where it states that some details of your account are not correct, gives you a hyperlink to resolve the situation. When you click on the link, it gives you a fake web page to log into. That way your account details can be also collected. They want to sell your login details on the dark web to somebody else. Whaling. Whaling is an attack. Whaling attack is an email attack that targets one of the leaders of your company, a chief executive officer, a high-level executive. Most of your high-level executives have intense days. They're very busy. So they might act on what looks like a minor request quickly so they can move on to their next task, but end up being attacked because they're not really paying attention to what they clicked on, trying to get something done in a hurry. Vishing, a vishing attack involves the use of the voice over IP phone, another telephone, a modem, or someone leaving a voicemail to try and extort information from you. Smishing is basically the same phishing attack, but it uses the SMS, a short message service, text messages. They'll either ask you to visit a website or call a phone number that turns out to be a premium rate call. An example, you get a text message that says one of your accounts needs to be validated. When you click on the link, you're asked for your password or the website downloads a virus onto your machine. Social engineering attacks, identity theft, again. Theft of personally identifiable information to commit fraud or take control of one of your accounts. You should shred everything and should be a crosscut shredder, all right? Shouldn't throw pieces of information away, or people could actually get them out of dumpster diving if you're into that. Pretexting and phishing are other ways in which your information can be collected. So you have to be careful of that. Impersonation can involve somebody putting on a uniform or some sort of falsely represent an authority figure and abuse the leverage of power they wrongfully obtained. Generally, another great example, it's happened many times. A person pretends to be from the help desk, says they're new, asks you for information about your department, or tells you you need to change your password because of problems with the IT systems. If you don't know that person, call them back. Hoaxes. This JDBG manager executable virus hoax in 2002 involved an email spam that advertised to advised computer users, to delete a file because it was a computer virus. Looked like a cute little bear. They were in fact deleting an actual system file. That's equivalent to opening your hood and pulling out all the spark plug wires or all the spark plugs. Kind of makes your system unable to work anymore. Thank you so much for watching. If this was of interest to you, please contact us and let us help you start or help you move on in your IT career. You may contact us the following ways.